Welcome to the Restroom Safety Training Certification course. This course is designed as a helpful aid to ensure safe and appropriate bathroom usage. Following safety and hygiene rules helps all of us have a more productive and reasonable restroom experience. Missing the toilet is frowned upon. Sink is not for poop and pee. Head does not go in toilet. Poop and pee go in the toilet. Legs do not go in toilet. Eating in the restroom is weird and disgusting. Don't be weird and disgusting. Food found in the restroom should not be eaten. If toilet is overflowing, turn around, don't drown. Don't wash hands in toilet. Do not drink toilet water. Do not eat soap. Do not call for a good time. Restroom is for business, not for pleasure. Keep your feet on the ground. Swimming in the toilet is prohibited and gross. Do not steal the toilet, then poop in it, then use it to beat people up, then dispose of the body in the sewage drain hole where the toilet used to be, then send the toilet to the family of the person you beat up, then steal it again and throw it at the police while in a high-speed pursuit because the police are trying to arrest you for stealing toilets and beating people up and disposing of bodies and stealing toilets again.